In this playlist, we'll create a map of the 50 largest cities in the United States. So we'll see the location of each city on the map. If we point at a dot or at the name of the city, we'll see the name of the city, the state, its population, and its rank among the 50 biggest cities. And we'll use this Excel spreadsheet, and the columns in the spreadsheet are rank, city name, state name, population as of the 2020 census, and then region of the country. And for a Tableau project involving a map, you want to have the exact geographic location. So if I want a city in the United States, I need the city name and the state name, which I have for the 50 largest cities in the United States. I'll put a link in the comments so you can download this Excel spreadsheet.